The Redmi Airdots are kind of like herpes. They're fun to get at first. They never go away, and people for some reason want to defend having them. But in all seriousness, jokes aside guys, Xiaomi just introduced their Redmi Airdots 2C and their sonic bass wireless headphones in India. I wanted to give a little bit of feedback of whether or not these are a buy or skip. They're a skip.
Surprise, motherfucker.
But we'll talk about why in a second. But if you're new to my channel, I make videos about Redmi, Xiaomi products, kind of Android nerd stuff in general, headphones as well. Now, if you're a returning subscriber, I'm sorry I haven't been making as many videos as often. I've been having to deal with some health issues. And if you guys want to support me in this physically difficult as well as financially difficult time, the best thing that you could do would be to subscribe to my channel and share my content. So Xiaomi released the Redmi Airdots 2C, or they announced pricing and availability for them in India. And these Redmi Airdots 2C are identical to the Redmi Airdots 2 that were recently released, which are identical to the Redmi Airdots S.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
And the 2C is simply a designation for India, maybe too cheap for everywhere else. But essentially, these are the same exact physical construction that we have from the very first Redmi Airdots back 2.5 years ago, 2 years ago. They feature the same push button design, the same cheap plastic materials. They have been updated though with a lower latency mode and kind of a gaming mode. My biggest issue and my reason to skip them when they are launching in India is that essentially these headphones are 1.5 years, almost 2 years old now in design. Although the tech has been updated, we haven't seen an update in build or materials for these headphones. And essentially the rest of the headphone industry has moved up. They've adopted better, higher quality chips for lower latency or aptX. They have moved towards better materials, better microphones, and everything else in the headphone industry right now is a step ahead of what the Redmi Airdots were when they launched almost 2 years ago. And they are launching again at a slightly cheaper price of $18, but even then at the $18 price point, I think that there's just better headphone options out there for most people. And I think that if you really don't have a lot of money, buying kind of a new cutting edge product that's like newer on the market, like a pair of truly wireless headphones, is not the best use of your money. I think you should get the XIAOMI or the XIAOMI, which are neckband style headphones. And neckband style headphones are, in my opinion, and in most cases, more convenient than truly wireless headphones. You are not going to break them, you are not going to lose them, and they have good battery life. If you guys want to check out some of the best headphones for calls, I will have this video right here, and then I will have a playlist to that video marked right here. If you guys want to support me, share my videos, hit the subscribe button. It makes a big difference. Let me know how much you guys love me. And until next time, guys, peace.